Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the most delicious hot chocolate charcuterie board you've ever seen. Imagine gathering around the fireplace with friends and family, surrounded by the aroma of rich hot chocolate and an assortment of sweet and savory treats. A hot chocolate charcuterie board is the perfect way to elevate your gatherings or cozy nights in, offering a unique and interactive way to enjoy hot chocolate. When it comes to creating a charcuterie board, I think we've all been there, standing in front of the pantry, wondering where to start. One of the biggest challenges is choosing the right ingredients. Do you go for classic pairings or try something new and adventurous? Another hurdle is balancing flavors. You want to make sure your board has a mix of sweet and savory, but how do you ensure everything complements each other? And then there's the issue of presentation. You want your board to look visually appealing, but it can be tough to arrange everything in a way that's both beautiful and functional. Lastly, there's the pressure to make it Instagram-worthy. Let's face it, we all want our creations to get those likes and comments. With so many delicious toppings, treats, and beverages to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Let's start with the base of our board, the hot chocolate. I'm using a rich and creamy mix, but you could also use a gourmet hot cocoa or even make your own from scratch. Next, let's add some sweet treats like marshmallows, whipped cream, and chocolate chips. To balance out the sweetness, I'm adding some savory elements like crushed nuts and a sprinkle of sea salt. And because no hot chocolate is complete without a pinch of spice, I'm adding a dash of cinnamon and a few candy canes for a festive touch. As we start to arrange our board, remember the key is to create visual interest. I'm grouping similar items together and varying the heights and textures to keep things visually appealing. Don't be afraid to get creative and have fun with it. You could add a few festive mugs or a sprinkle of holly to make it feel more seasonal. The most important thing is to make it your own and have fun with the process. And the final reveal? Drumroll please. Our hot chocolate charcuterie board is complete, and it's even more stunning than I imagined. The vibrant colors and mouth-watering treats are sure to impress your guests. I just want to dive in and start sipping. As we recap the steps taken to create this masterpiece, remember the most important thing is to personalize it and make it your own. Don't be afraid to try new ingredients or presentation styles. The beauty of a charcuterie board lies in its uniqueness, so don't be afraid to get creative and experiment. Thanks so much for joining me on this hot chocolate adventure. If you have a favorite topping or idea for your own board, be sure to comment below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more creative recipes and fun challenges.